Stay cool anywhere with the upgraded 2025 waist fan. Say goodbye to sticky, sweaty summer days. This next-level portable waist fan is built to keep you cool wherever life takes you. Running unmatched power and speed. With the latest 2025 brushless motor, this beast hits 13,000 RPM. That's twice the speed of regular belt fans. Its 9 spiral blades and rocket-inspired design deliver a focused airflow that reaches up to 20 feet per second, cooling you down instantly with just one press. High voltage 4 custom speeds to match your day. From a light breeze to a powerful blast, choose between 4 adjustable wind speeds, 6,100, 9,370, 11,450, and 13,000 RPM. Even the first level matches what other waist fans call max power. Perfect for job sites, workouts, or outdoor adventures. Backpack lightweight, wearable and built to last. Weighing only 0.53 pounds, it's super comfortable to wear all day. The manganese steel double clip holds tighter than cheap plastic clips, so you can move freely without worrying it'll slip. Battery that goes the distance. Stay cool up to 22 hours straight thanks to the long-lasting battery with an easy-to-read LED display. Plus, it doubles as a power bank to charge your phone or devices on the go, perfect for emergencies. Smarter, safer and more efficient. Built with an advanced AI smart chip, the Heellki waist fan runs with 3x better efficiency, 3x smarter energy control, and 3x more stable performance, so you get maximum cooling without wasting power. Plus, it's fully safety certified with FCC, CE, UKCA, and RoHS approvals, giving you peace of mind every time you use it. Globe your 5-in-1 summer must-have. It's not just a waist fan, it's also a neck fan, handheld fan, desk fan, and backup power source. Ideal for construction, gardening, hiking, fishing, sports, concerts, or just chilling at home. Hooray hands-free smart clip design. Dual clips keep it securely in place, while the bottom air intake ensures steady airflow. Instant cooling kicks in within 2 seconds, keeping you focused and comfortable no matter how hot it gets. Perfect gift for men who work or play outdoors. Beat the heat this summer. Grab yours now and stay cool anytime, anywhere. Get this now for $26.99 after a huge discount. Scan the QR code displayed on the screen or the link given in the description to get this limited offer. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.